Most people think becoming a trader is about charts, candles, indicators, signals, but the real chart is your life. Because every trader goes through stages, and if you don't recognize where you are, you stay trapped there for years. Some traders never escape stage 1, some quit at stage 3, and a few become dangerous at stage 5. So the question is simple: what stage are you in right now? Stage 1, the dreamer. This is where it starts. You see someone turn $100 into $10,000. A guy on social media shows rented cars, luxury watches, screenshots, and suddenly, trading feels like the escape plan. No boss, no limits, money from a laptop. So you download apps, watch strategy videos at 2 a.m., open your first chart, you feel powerful, but you don't understand one thing yet. You're not chasing freedom. You're chasing fantasy. At this stage, every green candle feels like destiny. Every loss feels like bad luck. You think success is one strategy away, so you keep searching. Stage 2, the gambler. This is where most traders live. You've learned enough to be dangerous, but not enough to survive. You take random trades. You move stop losses. You double positions after losses. You win big one day, then lose it all the next. Your emotions control your entries. Your ego controls your exits. You tell yourself, next trade will recover everything. But it doesn't, because this stage isn't trading. It's gambling disguised as analysis. You blame the market, you blame manipulation, you blame fake-outs, but deep down, you know the truth. You're not losing to the market, you're losing to yourself. Stage 3, the exhausted student. This stage hurts the most, because now you're trying. You study structure, risk management, psychology, backtesting, journaling. You're no longer reckless, but profits still feel inconsistent. Some weeks you win, some weeks you spiral. You start asking painful questions. What if I'm not built for this? What if I wasted years? This is where many quit, not because they failed, but because growth became boring. No more dopamine, no more random jackpots. Now it's repetition, patience, discipline, and most people would rather stay entertained than become excellent. Stage 4, the professional mindset. Then one day, something changes. You stop chasing money and start protecting it. You stop needing to trade every day. You stop forcing setups. You can sit still while others panic. You realize one clean trade is worth more than 10 emotional ones. Losses no longer destroy your confidence. Because you understand, a loss with discipline is still a winning behavior. This is when the market starts respecting you. Not because you became smarter, because you became calmer. Now trading becomes less exciting and more profitable. Stage 5, the dangerous trader. Very few reach this level because it requires killing versions of yourself: the greedy version, the impatient version, the emotional version, the version that needed to prove something. At this stage, trading looks boring from the outside. You wait. You strike only when odds align. You risk small. You think in months, not minutes. You know consistency beats intensity. You don't need social media validation. You don't need to catch every move. You don't need to feel busy, because real confidence is quiet. And when you master this stage, trading changes your life, not through one lucky trade, but through years of controlled decisions. Here's what nobody tells beginners. The market is not just testing your strategy. It's testing your habits, your patience, your discipline, your ability to stay rational while money is on the line. That's why two people can use the same system and get completely different results. One trades with ego, one trades with rules, one seeks excitement, one seeks consistency, and the market pays them accordingly. So if trading feels hard right now, good. That means you're being shaped. Every blown account can teach humility. Every mistake can build discipline. Every painful loss can become wisdom if you learn from it. Remember this: most traders chase signals. Winners master themselves. And the moment you stop trying to beat the market, you finally start beating your old self.